Mayday, Mayday. MV Blue Horizon reporting a man overboard at position 18 degrees, 32 minutes north. 122 degrees, 15 minutes east. Crew member last seen wearing a red life jacket.
MV Orion Star, confirm your hull integrity and number of persons aboard. Understood. Dispatching rescue team.
There is worsening with strong currents. We have deployed the rescue boats and are scanning the area. We need assistance over.
Understood. Rescue teams to your location. Maintain communication and prepare for evacuation if necessary.
Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This MV Atlantic Rest, we have received a distress call from MV Coral Dawn. They are taking water and need immediate resistance over.
MV Blue Horizon, what are the current weather and sea conditions? Are you conducting search and rescue? Acknowledge, we are coordinating with nearby vessels for assistance. Continue your search and provide updates.